you're looking for some nice new folding chairs, these could definitely be it. These are super nice with the comfy cushion, the seat cushion, and the back cushion here. And they are a nice height, so you can sit at a desk or a table very easily. And then let me show you. So they are really easy to fold right up. Let me show you up close here. So you can see that nice leather material. It's really thick and cushy. The same on the seat here. So you can see that. And then it folds up very small. They come in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. And they are really well built. And also, when you sit in it, so it leans back a little bit, as you can see here. So you can lean back instead of being straight forward and uncomfortable. These are a nice height. You can buy multiples and do a wedding reception or something like that. You could do an outdoor event or just have extra chairs for a holiday event inside your home, something like that. So really nice chairs. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.